welcome to Machine Maker, yet another story from Fujifilm stall at Asia Coat and Ink Show.
See, basically Fujifilm is here in this show for the first time as an exhibitor to promote our pigment inkjet dispersions for the pigment inks, inkjet inks. So this is a proprietary technology of Fujifilm. These are being manufactured in our US site currently, and we are promoting in this part of the globe. But very soon down the line, we may start manufacturing this in India. These are basically very high tech reactive dispersion cross-linking technology, which takes a pigment particle and encapsulates it in a polymer, so that there is a good stability in the dispersion and there is no agglomeration. This gives a very good stability and shelf life to a pigment inkjetting.
And any message you'd like to give to the manufacturers when it comes to sustainability and Fujifilm?
See, Fujifilm is very big on sustainability. In fact, we have, if you see the Fujifilm global site, we have drawn very elaborate plans for reducing carbon footprint and being a sustainable company. In our products, in whatever our practices, you will find that Fujifilm is moving towards sustainability, because there is no choice.